Alright, I'm here at the Aqueduct at my spot, the pumps. Second one. First one I didn't record. Using this little spinner bait. Throwing it out like right here, letting it come this way, then reel it in, dropping it. I'm using a Strike King number 4. I switched out this blade here, so I got a willow blade, and then I added this bad boy. Added on Strike King grub tail. Good combo. Lights color today. Stay tuned. I got a Mondo on. We got the Aqueduct bass fishing. This one's gonna be at least a 13-incher, about 1.5 pounds. Stay tuned. Bring them in. There we go. So we're catching here. So this is about almost a 2-pounder for sure. Get you size comparison. My foot. He's a big boy. He is a big boy. Go ahead and release him, and I know there's bigger ones out there. I'm telling you, this is the spot right here. It's the juice spot. I always hit the bass out here. The Aqueduct, California Aqueduct. Hitting on that spicy boy today. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. Rip, what you think? Rip already knows what's up. Go. They eating. They out here. They're out here eating. Biggin. That's a biggin. Oi! So yeah, you just gotta know the combo. I do have a square. I am gonna try and show you guys. Pick this up today. It's a square built style. It's from Japan. It's got 2 JZ engine in it. You can see them. Well, I'll rip this through today too, but right now let's try this bad boy some more. All right, I threw my striper rig out, night crawler out here. It was getting hit, but I was just wandering off. Got a nice striper. Measure him, see if he's a keeper. So I threw that striper back in. It wasn't. I don't have my measuring tape, and he didn't look like he was over the limit anyways. So I threw him back in. But I was getting consistent bites right here off of this big rig. Striper setup, Carolina style. We'll see if it taps once more, give it about 10 more minutes. No, I'm out of here. It was a good day fishing. 3 bass. Pretty decent stout 18-inch bass at the end. Probably pushing about 1 pound and 1.8 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. Out here in California Aqueduct. Special secret spot. Like, subscribe for some more. We're going to be doing a lot of fishing, a lot of secret spots. So, if you like it, like and subscribe. There you go, folks. Doing a sexy shad, plastic bait. Got myself a pretty decent sized bass. I'll pull him in. Oh yeah, he's big. He's big as fuck. I'll tie him out. I don't know, should I catch and cook this guy? Should I cook a spicy meatball with this guy or something? He's pretty big. I'm gonna say he's about a 3-pounder. Big motherfucker. That's how we do it. A good sized bass. Hit this plastic swim bait. Just a little round. That's all you need right there. It's a little round jig head, wide gap. That's what they're eating, folks. Solid fish. That's how it's done.